Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about IOTX price prediction and IOTX news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for IOTX in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, IOTX has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem, where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, IOTX has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the IOTX blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with the Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of IOTX are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's move on to the latest news of this cryptocurrency. IOTX co-founder urges crypto investors to hot limit market conditions. The market could easily reach new all-time highs by the end of the year, says IOTX co-founder Dr. Roland Kai. As the market dips over escalating tensions in Eastern Europe, Dr. Roland Kai, the co-founder and CEO of blockchain network IOTX, is urging crypto investors to hold on to their crypto. The Russian army recently started its advance on Ukraine, firing missiles on the second-largest European country. Following this, crypto markets took a nosedive, with all the top coins dropping between 8% and 18%, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro. However, despite the current market conditions, Kai tells holders to think twice before selling their digital assets. Kai told Cointelegraph that, while it's not impossible for Bitcoin, BTC, to fall below $10,000 and Ethereum, ETH, to fall below $800, the market could easily reach new all-time highs by the end of the year. He explained, "I would certainly not encourage investors to sell their crypto now in the hopes of buying back at a cheaper price, as the reality is no one knows when we will reach the bottom, and when the market will rally again." While Kai's general sentiments are bullish, he identified factors that could drive the crypto market prices further down. The IOTX co-founder says that the Russian invasion, combined with rising interest rates and the prospect of new COVID-19 variants, could all affect the market negatively in the short term. Additionally, tensions between Russia and Ukraine, in addition to other geopolitical and trade tensions, should be monitored, as they can unnerve institutional and retail investors and lead to huge price changes due to reduced risk appetite. Related, Bitcoin dips 12% as Russian ruble hits all-time low against United States dollars. Is successful, Starkware will join a shortlist of Israeli blockchain companies valued above $5 billion. Fireblocks, an Israeli company that provides infrastructure for blockchain platforms, raised $550 million earlier in the year, placing its valuation at $8 billion. Starkwares has not indicated which VCs will participate in the fundraising round, but there are reports of competition among potential investors. According to news sources, Starkware is currently screening potential investors. The source also noted that the development was a major one for the blockchain company that has only 70 employees. It's surreal. It just looks like another Israeli high-tech office here, but we're seen in the crypto world as the guys who are bringing about a huge change. There are constantly rumors that this person or such and such a fund wants to invest. The company doesn't need the money, so it has rejected many offers, but if a really attractive deal comes along, it could well be progressing. The insider added, "It's hard to think back to early November, just before the $2 billion valuation and Starnet coming to mainnet. Then, interest from investors and devs rocketed. So valuation, that would have been hard to believe a few months ago might now be realistic." StarkX leverages ZK Starks, which stands for Zero Knowledge, Scalable, Transparent Argument of Knowledge to help Ethereum achieve above 100,000 transitions per second and reduce transaction costs. Matic Market Maker, underlying protocol, MIMO offers breakneck transaction speeds and low-cost transaction fees. MIMO users pay less than a penny per transaction, and Lee explained that transactions are confirmed in under 5 seconds. MIMO's vision has always been to empower next-gen DeFi products using IOTX's lightning-fast speed, low gas fees, and cross-chain capabilities. MIMO is, by far, the most extensive liquidity provider, $40 million total value locked VL on IOTX, and serves as a decentralized exchange for powering IOTX DeFi ecosystems. The beauty of a decentralized governance is the token right of all MIMO token holders to decide how the incentives distribute across liquidity pools, he added, said Larry Pang, IOTX's Chief Business Development Officer. Mercenary mining and selling pressure current DEX models face the issues of short-term mining that harm the longevity of DeFi ecosystems. The old farmers frequently make deposits into liquidity pools, only to pull them out within the first few days to maximize their rewards, explained Pang. While liquidity providers are presented with short-term incentivization, it leads to mercenary mining and selling pressure. This short-term behavior causes less token utilization and hurts the sustainability of DeFi ecosystems, he added. MIMO is adopting a different approach by combining its current DEX model with Curve's Vatican mechanics and a DAO structure to solve this problem. Empowering liquidity for match-NFI dApps, MIMO will achieve long-term sustainability for the Iotex ecosystem by empowering liquidity for match-NFI dApps. The dApps will have their tokens with unique utility, enabling users to, for example, receive tokens for real-world activities such as walk to earn, drive to earn, and more. Creating liquidity pools, LP, with MIMO's Pico token, will increase liquidity depth while lowering slippage for traders. Many current liquidity providers are incentivized with high returns in a short period. Pang said that because match-NFI dApps will have greater utilization, a model is needed for the new machine economy participants. This will foster a thriving machine economy where dApps on Iotex receive stability, and investors are incentivized to see the dApps flourish. They believe in the long-term success of such projects, while still receiving benefits and rewards. Well, according to tradition, at the end of the video, are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX, or whether Iotex will survive in the next few years are unknown. Iotex is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term Iotex price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. Iotex price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Iotex will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Iotex rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the Iotex rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. Iotex average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Iotex price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Iotex could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. Iotex price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Iotex, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the Iotex maximum price could be up to